my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Prashant Classes. We are doing daily current affairs. Please subscribe our channel. It is helpful for KSI State and Central exam. Today's important questions is the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) approved the appointment of Committee of Directors (COD) to run which bank? Answer is Dhanalakshmi Bank. Next important question is when is International Day of Non-Violence observed annually? Answer is October 2. Next important question is which department of the Union Finance Ministry prepares the Union Budget? Answer is Department of Economic Affairs. Next important notes is Stockholm International Union Cabinet of India approves ratification of 7 organic pollutants. On October 7, 2020, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the ratification of 7 chemicals that are listed under Stockholm Convention on persistent organic pollutants. Further, the cabinet delegated its powers of ratification to the Union Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Next important notes is natural gas marketing reforms approved by the Union Cabinet. On October 7, 2020, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the natural gas marketing reforms. The reforms aim to fix the gas prices in the market through transparent and competitive processes. Natural gas marketing reforms, the main objective of the reforms is to provide standard procedure for the sale of natural. Next important notes is Cabinet approves India-Japan MOU on cyber security. On October 7, 2020, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the Memorandum of Understanding signed between India and Japan on cyber security. Highlights: the MOU aims to enhance cooperation between the countries in the area of cyber space and share information on cyber security. Next important notes is PM SVA Nidhi scheme API integration with SBI portal. On October 7, 2020, Government of India launched the API application programming integration between State Bank of India portal and PM SV Nidhi portal. Highlights in simple terms: action programming interface is the connection between two or more applications that allows them to exchange data. Here in the new application programming interference. Next important notes is Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2020. The Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2020 has been awarded to Immanuel Cherry Painter and Jennifer A. Doudna for development of a method for genome editing. The scientists have developed the gene editing technique called CRISPR Cas9 snipping scissors highlights the researchers can change the DNA of animals using the gene editing technique invented by the Nobel laureates. Next important notes is CSIRO 14 million tons of microplastics on seafloor. The Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization CSIRO, an Australian government agency, has recently found that the world seafloor is littered with more than 14 million tons of microplastics. These microplastics have entered the floor through the breakdown of masses of rubbish entering the oceans annually. Thank you my dear friends. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.